I like working at Festool because, we care. We care about our dealers, our customers, and we're always going to do everything in our power to make things right. And to me, that's what separates us. That's what's special about Festool. Hi, I'm Chris Stoller. I'm the North American Customer Service Manager here at Festool. I've been at Festool for a little over 2 years now. My favorite tool is actually a CT26. I'm a sucker for dust extraction, and my CT goes everywhere I go. It's lightweight, it's mobile, it makes all of my jobs easier and cleaner to complete. What makes Festool Festool? It's the people. It's the culture of our company. I wish everyone could see it and feel it. When I find myself all the time mentioning the Festool family, and that includes all of our customers and our dealers, and I truly do feel that way. We're a close-knit group, driven to provide the best level of customer service we can, and it makes for a real special environment to work.